Hello, cricket fans! It was a Hara-Kiri situation in third test match day 2 between India and New Zealand. Before exploring more on the highlights, welcome to my channel, MKK The Daily Pulse, your one destination for updates from around the world. Let's dive straight into the drama from the third test match day 2 between India and New Zealand. The highlight of the day was undoubtedly Virat Kohli's shocking run-out. It was supposed to be a day of redemption for Kohli, playing his 200th test match, but what unfolded left everyone stunned. After walking into bat following 2 quick wickets, Kohli was eager to stabilise the innings. However, an attempt to take a quick single turned disastrous. Misjudging a call with Rachin Ravindra, he found himself short of the crease despite a desperate dive. Matt Henry's accurate throw from short mid-on caught Kohli off guard. Ravi Shastri, commenting live, called it Hara-Kiri. Anil Kumble described it as suicidal. India's hopes took a hit with 3 wickets down for just 6 runs in a blink. This unexpected collapse raised serious concerns about India's ability to bounce back from such an early setback. Earlier in the match, India's bowlers had put up a stellar performance. The spin duo, Ravindra Jadeja and Washington Sundar, wreaked havoc, sharing 9 wickets between them. New Zealand was bowled out for 235 runs, with standout performances from Daryl Mitchell and Will Young. However, India's batting lineup struggled to capitalise on the bowlers' efforts. Apart from a brief 53-run stand between Yashasvi Jaiswal and Shubman Gill, the rest of the batting lineup failed to make a significant impact. By the end of day 1, India was trailing by 149 runs. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Hasta la vista, namaste.